Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Shore in Montego Bay. This is where they are going to be building the new Pricesmart location in Montego Bay. Pricesmart is a shopping club like Costco in the US or BJ's, and they have two locations in Jamaica. They actually are owned by the same company that owns Costco, but outside of the US, in the Caribbean and Latin America, they operate under the name Pricesmart. And they have two locations in Jamaica. The first one is on Red Hills Road in Kingston, and the second one is in Portmore. So they are expanding as those two locations do very well. So they are expanded to a third location in Jamaica, and they have selected Montego Bay, and this is the area, or this is the location out in Shore in Montego Bay. And one of the reasons why they selected this location is because the Montego Bay perimeter road is going to go from Shore to Bogue. So you will have highway access to this facility, to this area, so to basically this facility. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The construction of a new Pricesmart facility in Montego Bay represents a significant development in Jamaica's commercial and retail sector. Following the success of Pricesmart's locations in Kingston and Portmore, the Montego Bay store will extend the wholesale membership model to Western Jamaica, providing easier access to goods at competitive prices for residents, businesses, and the growing tourism industry. Located on the former Iron Shore Golf Course property, the project received formal environmental and planning approvals in early 2025 from the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA. These approvals cleared the way for full-scale development with site preparation including clearing, vegetation, drainage works, and road infrastructure, already underway since March 2024. This location is strategically located as Montego Bay is both Jamaica's tourism capital and a major hub for trade and transportation, making it ideal for a large-scale retail warehouse. While Pricesmart has not disclosed the official cost of construction, comparisons can be made to the company's Portmore facility, which opened in 2022 at an estimated cost of Jamaican $3.1 billion. Given Montego Bay's size and significance, it is reasonable to expect a comparable or larger investment. Beyond the financial value, the project is expected to generate hundreds of construction jobs in the short term and provide long-term employment opportunities once the store opens. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.